Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to fix laptop Wi-Fi and Bluetooth not showing. If your laptop's Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are not working or showing, it is usually caused by disabled settings, driver issues, or system glitches. These problems can prevent your device from connecting to networks or other devices. By checking key settings and performing simple fixes, you can restore both features. To begin, restart your laptop. A simple reboot can fix temporary system glitches. Check airplane mode. Make sure airplane mode is turned off. Turn on Wi-Fi manually via settings, network, and internet, and enable the Wi-Fi. Turn on Bluetooth manually via settings, Bluetooth and devices, and toggle Bluetooth on. Check physical switches or function keys. Some laptops have Wi-Fi or Bluetooth toggle key. For example, you can click the FN plus A function key on your keyboard. Open Device Manager. Press Windows plus X and select Device Manager. Look for missing adapters. Expand the network adapters and Bluetooth sections. Enable disabled devices. Right-click the adapter and select Enable Device. Update drivers. Right-click the device and choose Update Driver. Reinstall drivers. Uninstall the adapter, then restart to reinstall automatically. Run Windows Troubleshooter via Settings, System, Troubleshoot, Other Troubleshooters, then click Run on Bluetooth, then click Yes. Check hardware issues. If still missing, the Wi-Fi or Bluetooth card may need repair or replacement. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.